We will be visiting Romania's most interesting, fascinating and luxurious accommodations. Whether it's a hotel made of ice, a cabin in the woods or 5-star suite in Bucharest, we'll check out the coolest spots.
Nice.
After exploring all that they have to offer, we'll give you our genuine insight and tell you whether they're worth visiting. So join us on our series, Romaniacs Hotel Hunters.
Today guys, we are in the beautiful region of Severin in Romania, in the skiing area Muntele Mic, and we're gonna stay in the Hotel Montes and gonna try it for you guys.
So our stuff is inside the room. Now we're just gonna get a little tour from the lovely man, Dennis.
Hello. Please.
Ridiculous.
Have a look how big this is. You could have a second bed here basically.
I mean, this is an apartment that we've rented out, and fully you got a TV over there, a TV in here, 2 sofas.
But have a look at the view, man. This is ridiculous. I don't know.
Voila.
From the hotel, you take on your skis and you just enter the lift. Here we have a lovely bathroom. Towels are included, like you can see. Hairdryer. Shower, of course, toilet. And then here we have like a living area. You have the lovely sofa, a TV, tea and coffee bar. Is this a mini bar? This has to be a mini bar.
Doesn't open.
All the good stuff, Snickers, Mars, beer, red wine, white wine, vodka, gin tonic, whiskey, Jägermeister, Coke, nuts, crisps, Sprite, and the good water.
A map with all the activities you can do. They have so much to offer. And I can't wait to do some activities and also then enter the spa.
Over here, you have the bedroom space of the apartment, wardrobe space. A lot of space in here where you can put all your clothes. That's where we just put our stuff. If you ever need the concierge or you need something, just pick up the phone. Hello, I am in dire need of your help. And they come right away. Lovely bed. So yeah, this is our place. We're more excited in the activities that we can do in this hotel.
If you're right now asking yourself what this German and this black guy are doing in Romania, we are right now studying medicine and dentistry, and that's why we came here. And if you can't get a place to study medicine or dentistry in your home country, just book your free consultation call and we will get you your place as well. And now back to the video.
Time to try this martini. Very nice and clean.
In the restaurant, we were greeted with a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The service was good, with friendly staff who were happy to answer any questions that we had about the menu. Speaking of the menu, the food was delicious and each dish was beautifully presented. Additionally, the cocktail bar had an impressive selection of drinks expertly crafted by skilled bartenders using top-shelf spirits and fresh ingredients. Overall, it was a great experience and it's the perfect place to dine after a long day of skiing.
Good morning. I know my hair looks ridiculous. I had an incredible night.
Why are you gay?
What does that mean? What were you doing?
Just waking up to this view is just ridiculous. I can't wait to get actually out there, start doing some activities, see what else this hotel has to offer.
The rooms are amazing, the bed is comfortable, but how about the breakfast?
Really good. As you can see there's a huge selection of stuff that you can try. We basically filled up the plate with everything.
It looks absolutely freaking amazing.
Now we're gonna see which activities we can do today. We're gonna take you guys with us. It's a sunny day. I'm excited. Someone is driving us from the hotel a few meters up because we need to get the skiing pass. It's amazing. Just have a look at the street.
You can see people skiing down already, right close to us. Well, I'm not going to be doing some skiing, but I'll see what else I can do. Have a walk around, see some other cool activities, and just enjoy the view as well. Let's get going.
Don't forget your sunscreen. I'm buying my ski pass right now for today. Skiing here is not too pricey like in other countries. Let's see what we can do.
Now I'm tasked with the job of having to get to the top of the mountain, which is over there. Maybe I can get somebody to drive me with one of those ski mobiles.
A few moments later.
Just left off. David will be coming down from there. He's calling me now, if you guys can see. Yo, bro. I'm not at the top. Small house, yeah. All right. See you then. I think I see him right there. There he is. Mr. Professional out here, flexing on us. Yeah, boy. What the?
Man,
completely f***ed me up, man.
this place is sick, man. So guys, I will take you skiing. Let's go.
And up he goes.
We're just chilling on top of the mountain. Some nice beanbags here. For me, it doesn't feel like Romania, honestly.
I'm Christy.
Forza, nice to meet
Nice to meet you. Chill here is really beautiful day today. You want anything to drink? Tell me what you want.
Can you get a hot chocolate with like
Yeah.
some Jaeger or something
Yeah.
inside?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I can smell it already from here. It's
Ah, we go to the cross. We have time, man. We need to go.
immediate humbling. I said it. I looked at the snow, I was like, we're both falling in immediately. When we first came here to Romania, I was not imagining that I'll be able to do this in my wildest dreams. But it just shows how lovely the people are over here and how much you can actually experience in all different types of terrains over here as well.
Absolutely ridiculous. Nice people here. They do a bunch of activities and they are on the same mission, trying to show the real face of Romania. We're going to show you guys what we are working with.
The view from here is absolutely beautiful, especially now with the sun almost setting. Yeah, what's the plan now then?
I don't know. So I take you on my back and I drive us down.
Well, sounds easy enough. Let's see how it's done.
Oh, you're fucking heavy. Fuck your stones. Okay. Oh god. Okay.
The The spa area of the hotel was beautifully designed and provided the perfect setting to relax and unwind. The hotel even offers a massage service which provides its visitors with a rejuvenating experience. One thing that stood out about the facilities was how spacious they were. Even during peak hours, the area never felt crowded. The pool, whirlpool and sauna were top-notch, offering a tranquil space to de-stress, providing a warm and soothing escape after a long day in the mountains. We were impressed by the addition of a salt sauna which offers therapeutic benefits for skin and respiratory system. Overall, the hotel's spa facilities were truly exceptional and exceeded our expectations.
Hotel Montes is placed in the middle of the skiing area Muntele Mic. In this case, there's a positive and a negative about it. The good thing is that from the hotel you can directly reach the ski lift. The negative side is that the skiing area is actually not the biggest. But nevertheless, they plan to extend the skiing area, which would make it one of the biggest ski resorts in Romania.
Overall, it was a great experience. You could do a lot of activities inside and outside the hotel, and the spa was fantastic.
They really tried the best at all times to make it a great experience for all their guests. Overall, that means that Hotel Montes in Muntele Mic gets 4 out of 5 stars. So don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on the next hotel. See you guys next time. La revedere and ciao!